Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to fix Windows Subsystem for Linux is not enabled error. So mainly this error occurs because your Windows Subsystem for Linux feature is not enabled in the Windows. To fix this error, first go to your search bar and search for turn, and it will pop up this turn Windows features on or off. So click on this. Also you can go to this menu by going to control panel and go to the programs, and here you see this turn Windows features on or off. So click on this. So you see it open this turn Windows features on off window, and after that scroll down. In here you see that Windows Subsystem for Linux is already checked. So what you have to do is just check this checkbox and click OK. And after that what you have to do is restart your computer. So after that your error will be fixed. So if you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.